Hello, this is Melissa Levin, and I'm coming to you today to talk to you about something that a lot of people try to avoid, and these are making difficult decisions in your life. A lot of decisions are not made due to the emotional response that it brings out from you. So I want to give you something personal that happened with me. When my father passed away, we inherited an office building that he had purchased brand new, put his heart and soul and everything into to build out into something absolutely beautiful. When we inherited this property, there were a couple things with it. One, the area that it was in started to get a little bit worse. The second thing was it was actually a money pit. So financially, it really wasn't the best decision for us to stay there. But it was a very difficult decision, especially for me. I was very close with my father. It was a very emotional decision. But I kind of had to just almost autopilot, put my walls up, and do what I knew was the best thing to do. So we have sold the building. We moved into a beautiful space, which I maybe will make another video and show you the space, but I am extremely happy that we made this decision. I know my father is up there in heaven knowing that we made this decision and is right here by my side, happy for us. But my point here is a lot of decisions in life have to be made without using emotion and have to be made goal planning. When it comes to financial planning, you need to look at a situation and try to take the emotion out of it, and that's one of the things that I can help you with over here. Give me a call if you have some of those decisions that you just can't make. Take care.